In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to Google Sheet. If you have an Excel file that you want to start working with in Google Sheets, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. This is especially useful if you want easier sharing, cloud access, or real-time collaboration with other people. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive at drive.google.com. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Google Drive is where you will upload the Excel file before converting it, so this is the first place you need to be. Once you are inside Google Drive, look to the left side of the screen and click the New button. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose File Upload. This will open your computer's file browser where you can locate the Excel file you want to convert. It may be in XLSX or XLS format. Select the file, then click Open. After that, give it a moment to upload completely. The upload time may vary depending on the size of the spreadsheet and your internet speed. When the upload is finished, find the Excel file in your Google Drive. Double-click on it to open it. At first, it will usually open in preview mode, which lets you view the file before editing it. Next, go to the top of the screen and click Open With. From the available options, choose Google Sheets. As soon as you do that, Google will automatically create a Google Sheets version of your Excel file. This is the actual conversion step, and in most cases, it happens almost instantly. Once the file opens in Google Sheets, the converted version is automatically saved to your Google Drive. One easy way to confirm that the conversion worked is to look at the file icon. It should now display the Google Sheets icon instead of the Excel icon. If you want, you can also rename the file at this point. Just click the file name in the top left corner, type in the new name you want to use, and press enter. This can help you keep the original Excel version and the new Google Sheets version clearly organized. Finally, take a moment to review the spreadsheet carefully. Check that your text formatting still looks right, confirm that formulas are working properly, and make sure any charts, images, and conditional formatting display correctly. Most files convert very well, but if your workbook uses advanced Excel-specific features, you may need to make a few small adjustments after conversion. And that's how to convert an Excel file into a Google Sheet.